You know? Hey guys, we're back. Mason's gonna jump the ass fire, and with his new brush guard. Mason, how are you feeling about this jump?
I'm gonna break my car.
You feeling good?
No.
No? You're not? Are you sure you can drive this? Are you gonna hit it fast?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Got anything, sir?
Nope. Mason wrecked my car.
How about Uncle Buck? Here we go, boys. Oh.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, that'd be good. I think so.